Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Injection molded components require attention to detail at every step. Luckmarr Plastics provides that detail along with affordability. With big names such as GM, Chrysler, and Harley-Davidson as customers, Luckmarr Plastics has the technology and know-how to do plastic injection molding right. From their home in Sterling Heights, Michigan, Luckmarr Plastics operates 5 divisions: automotive trim, functional components, close tolerance and high volume production, custom returnable packaging, and consumer goods. Luckmarr Plastics is a total service provider. That means from idea to production to shipping, they've got it covered. They utilize 22 injection machines ranging from 85 to 1,000 tons, fulfilling almost any production requirements. They have the capability to mold in textured surfaces and custom blend colors while providing value-added extras from decorating to assembly. They have years of experience processing unfilled resins, as well as resins containing glass and minerals or special engineered alloy blends in complex multi-cavity components requiring assembly. It starts with their engineering services. Using CAD, SolidWorks, and Unigraphics, they're able to quickly create prototypes and tryouts. Upon approval, Luckmarr's sister company, Accutech Mold and Engineering, goes to work, and the design hits the tooling line using 14 CNC milling machines, including one 5-axis milling center. Their full benching capabilities means they can polish to a lens quality finish. A complete fixture and gauge department plus 23 different quality control testing devices makes them the injection molder to beat. To learn what else Luckmarr Plastics can do, visit their website at luckmarplastics.com.